Welcome back to RotoCityTech. So we are out camping in New Mexico, and I haven't done many videos this trip because I've just been kind of relaxing, but my friend over here has this, what is called a Pyroad portable fire pit, and he came up and said, let's do a little video, let's film it, see if it does what it claims. So we are going to attempt that. And so here is what the bag looks like. And I just wanted to talk about what the website claims. Let me read it here. So the website is claiming lets you build a safe, smokeless campfire in just a few minutes. So with this design, it's supposed to radiate heat through the single wall of the stainless steel in all directions. It's supposed to provide little or no smoke through, I don't know, through the design of the stainless steel. Let's just say that. And anyways, we're going to start it up and assemble it. We're going to take it out of the bag, and there should be some instructions. So it's already out of the cardboard box, obviously. And here are some instructions for us. So you can choose to read them or not, but it looks pretty simple. So here we are with 4 pieces out of the bag. So we're going to look for, the instructions say, the 2 pieces with the flame. So those are the 2 pieces that he has currently. You can see the flame down at the bottom right here. So we need to put those, insert the tabs into the slots on the other piece. Set these 2 joined pieces upright on a flat surface, just like that. Okay, so your 2 pieces are joined together with those tabs inserted. The next thing, insert the tabs of the triangular piece into the horizontal slots. So there we go. They just rest in there. Easy enough. Slide the slots of the piece with the Pyroad logo over the tabs of the first 2 pieces. Just like that. Yeah, fully assembled. So on that is where you will rest your fuel. So, and it says to start it with some newspaper, which we are going to go set it out, I guess, on the ground. You have to remember, isn't it the Pyroad logo one? Or oh, it's that one with the little hole?
Yeah, where the hole is.
So right here with this little hole, that's the side you can pick it up and nothing will fall apart. And we can move it. So it does say in the instructions to start out with some newspaper. Now we have never lit this one up yet. So they have a whole instruction thing here talking about how to light it. Put crumpled up newspaper inside your Pyroad, small kindling, about 12 inches long vertically into the Pyroad. Using a long match or multi-purpose lighter, light the newspaper through the large hole in the side of the first piece in the picture above. So I'm assuming it's this hole here on the first piece with the flame. And sit back and enjoy the efficient warm burn of the Pyroad portable fire. So here we can see we got our newspaper, we got some kindling, and we have the large hole, which I'm guessing is this one here. Oh, that one? Oh yeah, there we go, right below the flame. So we're going to light it up. It is a little raining out here, so okay. Newspaper is lit.
Is it?
So we do see that the newspaper is lit, but things are taking a little bit of time. Probably not for the fault of the Pyroad, though. So what we're doing now is just going around to each side and lighting it, seeing. Now it's producing smoke right now because we're burning newspaper, but supposedly once it catches fire and starts burning the wood good, it should be very little smoke. And then, like I was saying earlier, the design of this with the 3 sides and these, I'm guessing these slits and stuff cut into it, it's supposed to release heat on all sides. Alright, so we finally got the wood to light. It was a little hard to get it lit, some dense wood, but it did finally catch. And it is putting out some pretty good heat right now, and I mean, you can't see it on the video, and I can't hardly see it right here in person, but there is no smoke. And the longer this thing burns, the hotter this stainless is going to get and radiate that heat. I mean, I can already feel it coming out. So I could see how this would be attractive, especially for people that maybe don't have a rig quite the size of this one, but which we have to do a review over that one soon. But somebody with a pop-up or even just a tent, because this folds up so easily, you can just store it anywhere. And then if you're at a campsite with no firing, like these have a place where you could build a fire, this would be really nice to have. And they make accessories, or you can really just get a little piece of a grate to set on top of this and put you some food on there to cook, or pots or whatever. Man, that is putting out some flames. And put another piece in. Yeah. Yeah, that really makes a good flame. I like it. From what I could tell, the Pyroad works pretty well. It produced a warm fire with very little smoke, if any. If you had some wood that was a little bit less dense, it would have been easier to start. So I would make sure to have some, maybe some pine or something like that you could start the fire with, or have some really good kindling. Now, I talked with my friend that had the Pyroad, and after the week that they were camping, they said that they really enjoyed it and that it did produce good warm flames with very little smoke as well. He said that a couple times it would smoke, but that was only when he was first starting it up, and after it started getting real hot, then it burned nice and clean. That is definitely a positive thing. My brother also was there camping, and he said from when they went over there that they thought it did really well. In the end, I do believe that the claims are true with the Pyroad, and I think that me and Kelsey are probably more than likely going to buy one, or at least one similar, because while we don't mind campfires and smoke, it is kind of a hassle sometimes to have your clothes always smelling like smoke, or just the smoke blowing on you. So if we can avoid that by getting one of these little portable fire pits that eliminate that part of the experience, we are all for it. So we will be on the lookout for some type of smokeless fire pit, and we will be posting a video when we decide on which one it is. So anyways, thanks for watching. And as always, follow us on Instagram at RotoCityTech, on Facebook at RotoCityTech, and here on YouTube, like and subscribe at RotoCityTech. Thank y'all.